welcome to the AnnaStories channel. We are come to the Kamianka Waterfall with a tent, and today we are going to have a very cool family vacation. Here is a 5 seconds pop-up camping tent. We are located next to a mountain river. Now we're going to eat and then go to the waterfall.
Was it scary?
Yes, a little bit. We've already come to the waterfall, but now we're above it. It's very cool here. Look at this wonderful waterfall. You can eat. No, not yet. How cool marshmallow is when it's melted. There is a bomb in the middle! Oh no!
Yummy!
Yes!
Yummy!
But I do.
Who likes staying in a tent?
Me!
What do you like most about it?
I don't know. I like everything. Me too. Now we are going to a lake which is called dead because there are no living organisms in it.
Don't drink this water, or else you will turn into a monster.
The day was just perfect, and if you enjoyed this video, like it.